Target, and I'm in the dollar spot, so let's see what they have. Okay, so over here we have some seashell memory box, and this is a garland, guys. Let's see if they have any other kinds. Yes, so they have the anchors. They have those two kinds of banners. Then they have the bottle openers, guys. They have that one that says Seaside Bar, down the hatch. Yeah, those two. Then you have some metal hooks. Then you have some picture frames that say Aloha. They have it in this kind, the anchor, and this anchor. These are nice, guys, and this one says Aloha. Then you have some rugs. These are really nice, and they say anchor yourself. Yeah, those are nice. And then you have some throw pillows over here. Sail away with me. That one says happy. You have some more banners over here, and some more plaques for the walls, animal plaques. Let's see, this one says Land of the Make Believe, and you have some baskets over there, and these things are $5. So over here, guys, you have some wedding stuff. Guest books, guys. Then you have some champagne plasticware, and this is glass. It's like a little cake dish, $5. And these are some disposable, well, these are plastic serving trays. Aren't these beautiful, guys? Look at this. They also have it in the stripe. So I'm loving the stripe one. Those are nice. Then they have these chalkboard or easels. That's really nice. These until the big day. That's really nice. Then you have these banners. And then these have initials on them, guys. Some of them say Mr. and Mrs. Then you have these jars, and these are $1. There's only 3 of those left. And some bags. So over here you have the bride and the groom. The bride and the groom. So that's really nice. Then you have some napkins that say the best day ever. And then you also have these in peach. She said yes. Those are nice. Guys, look at this. They have the drinkware, 2 jars, they're milk bottles with the little straw. So they have the blue, the green, and the gold, and those are $3 each. Then you have the Bullseye, the little buckets. These are $3 each. And this is the balloon, the foil balloon. So this one says baby. That one over there says hello. And this one says hello. That one says mama. So these guys over here are like clothespins. I'm liking those in pink and in blue. And these things are $3 each. So then they have, these are paper bags with the tissue and the tag. That's really nice. The baby. Welcome baby. This is a little corsage pin for $1. And here's some paper plates, and this must be all baby stuff. Let's see, you have some window things. And you have some play sand with moles. And you have some stretch figures. And some toys. Bubbles. And some toys over here to the bottom. On the bottom. Then we have some Beetle House, Ladybug. Okay, $3. And what are these? These are more cards. Here's some little cute little toy lanterns and some stuffed animals, guys. That's what they have. And then what are these? These are just like lunch containers. This is really nice. And this is a safari tool belt. That's so cute. So all I see is some squishies and some toys. Here's a stuffed animal. This is probably some all Easter stuff. They have some squishies over here, and then they have some reusable bags here. The action figures. This one is Star Wars. That one is Minnie with the pony. That's Frozen. Then you have the Minions. So that's nice. Over here you have some market pocket metal numbers. These are really nice. These are $1. And you have the big mirrors, which is $3.
Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to Target
nice.
to look in that dollar spot, and I will see you guys in the next video.
And here you have some felt bingo. So these are some games. Let's see. There's some window clings, guys.